today I'm doing a Easter bonnet craft kit. I'm having a competition Easter this year, so we're doing an Easter bonnet craft kit, great for art and craft. So I'm gonna start opening this one. It says Easter chicks decorations, great for eggs hunt. And the next one, we have decorations kit. It has 15 pieces. I also forgot to tell you there's 6 pieces here too in the chicks. And there's some like stuff, like some stuff there. And then we have a craft glue, 2 glues, 18 milliliters bottle glue, and next we have, I don't know what it is. I just went to the shop and it's like something like an Easter kit or something, but we don't know what it is. So we're just gonna open this first. So here we have some we have some apple shred tissue paper, and we have some fabric. We have some fabric at the back, and here we have some apple shredded tissue paper. So, and next we have, I think these are chalk, but I don't think they are. We have some pretend eggs for Easter eggs. Next we have some beauty eyes right here. It has 12 inside. Next we have some feathers, 18 feathers in here. Next, we have some pom-poms. We have 40 in here. And next, at the back, pipe cleaners, we have 7 here. I'm gonna do some craft because my school is having a competition with Easter. So we're doing with this box Easter bonnet craft kit. It says great for kids and craft. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Remember last time we opened all the Easter stuff, but now we're going to glue this glue onto here, and then we're gonna add some here. It's this. So first we're gonna add glue. Okay, now we're gonna stick these green heads. Now I'm gonna stick these ones, the yellow one. now the purple ones. Next, we're gonna add some eggs. Then we're gonna add 2 eggs in here. Here's one of them. Now I need to put the other one. Next, we're going to put one here. Then we're gonna add maybe 2 eggs. Yeah. Then we're gonna add the last one, the pink one. Right. Okay, here. Now we're gonna add these checks here. How cute they are. And just to tell you, this one's the daddy one and this one's the mommy one. Now I'm gonna add these baby chicks. Got one of them out. I'm gonna put one right here. Right here. Now the next one. We're gonna add 3 in this row, or we're gonna add 3 in this row. Now I'm gonna add another one. It's gonna add right here, just to tell. Now, the next 3. Next, we're gonna add this one. We're gonna add this one. right here next. And these are the brothers and sisters. Those ones. These ones are just hatching. These ones are the brothers and sisters. And these ones are the mommy and dad. Now we have 2 more left. Or actually, maybe we should stop with these chicks because I think I put too much. So we're gonna save that for any Easter stuff for next time. So next, we're gonna add some some bunnies. We're gonna bunnies. We're gonna add 1 here. And we'll add 1 right there. And 1 a little bit more. Then we're gonna add 1 right there. Next, we're gonna add some chicken. If you don't know what a chicken looks like, this is what it looks like in life and tent. One here. Now I think that's enough chicken for now. Next we're gonna add some googly eyes. Well, mine only need me. So moving on, we're gonna glue these pom-poms. That's a lot. That thick right there. Then stick Now we could add some feathers. We might just put them on the side. how much feathers that is. And you think, I don't think there's 14 of them. I don't think, because there is lots. So I don't think there will be 14. Okay, sorry about that, I'm just having a little dance. Okay. I'm gonna put this one here because I don't see any more spaces. Or I think you agree this is actually a bad feather because so bendy. Look at that. So we're not gonna use this one. So to the bin. Done. This one, how I'm talking about. Not too bendy, just right. I'm gonna put this right there. And before we actually stick them, let's actually just saw all the ones that are a little bit bendy. Sting. Right here. Sting. Bendy. Okay, actually, don't. This one bad. Okay, moving on. I'm not gonna do that. So we're now just sticking more feathers. So now, we are like really done with the feathers because it's too sticky.